Cause baby, you're a firework. Make it go,
Okay, Lani, I've got things over here. $1 for the lighties. Chanta business, huh? Pop-ups, what? And this Laka Shah Khan finale showstopper. It's so Laka, it's like watching Shah Khan dance in your yard. Watch your mama.
Hey, you got Indian Kings too. I'm gonna make it a lucky Diwali night, unlike my wedding night.
What Indian Kings? I've got something new for you, Xe. Indian Queens. Just like Indian Kings, but operates like your mother-in-law. Non-stop noise all night, my man. Boss, I'll just for 6 rand. Take it off for 2.
But
Shush! Just take it. Just take it and go. I don't argue. Take it and go. Just take it.
for $2,000. Hey, take the money. Take the money. Hey, Dragon Auntie gonna be happy. She's gonna be lighting my lamp all night long. People who live in my house and eat my food can see what Daddy bought.
Yay! Crackers from India fireworks! So, how much you spent, Johnny Lever?
Hey, shut up. How many times I must tell you? I know what I'm doing.
Johnny, these say poo-poops, not pop-ups. You got them from India fireworks, right? Rajan, the child is asking where you bought the pop-ups from.
Hey, never mind. Leave that. Watch me light my Shah Rukh Khan cake.
Same reason why we couldn't have a second child. Deflates in seconds. Dad, you big dummy! Power, take this pamphlet from India fireworks and go there now, because everywhere else is the con. Start walking!
Ayuma, sure, you're working here now. You done lied to me. Now my whole family thinks I'm a 12-year-old cake.
Let's not argue that. It's Diwali soon. I don't even know why you bought from me when everyone knows that India Fireworks has the good stuff. You're stupid. Even I wouldn't buy from me. But come now, make ma. Let me show you my balls. My festive balls.
हार गोरी जमुना हिलो रे दुल्हनिया ले गे मछलिया अरे ले गे मछलिया